Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Chia seed pudding. So today we are making one of my favorites. This is a tiramisu inspired chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is an incredibly versatile recipe because you can use any milk of choice. You can use Greek yogurt, you can use vegan yogurt, you can use cottage cheese, you can use a combination of the two, you can add fruit, you can add flax, you can add hemp seeds, you can add, in this case, some coffee and some cocoa powder, you can add chocolate. There's so many variations on a chia seed pudding, and oftentimes when you have kind of the basic recipe, you can kind of go in and just customize it and make it your own. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorites, which is a very high protein version. I'm using a combination of cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, and my favorite complete collagen powder, which contains all 9 amino acids, and that's from the brand Organica. And this will add nearly 10 grams of protein per serving just by adding 2 servings of that collagen powder. So, and it also has a ton of fiber in this recipe, which is something that I am looking for. High fiber, high protein. Those are the 2 main things, and obviously some healthy fats as well, which we're going to find in this recipe. So it's a really quick recipe to make. Everything's pretty much done in a blender. You can keep it in your fridge for 4 or 5 days. And I'm gonna top it with a Greek yogurt topping and a little cocoa powder to give you that tiramisu inspiration. So let's take a few minutes and learn how to make this delicious recipe. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and to share our videos. It really does help our channel grow. So let's make a really incredible and easy, high protein, high fiber tiramisu chia seed pudding. Let's go over the ingredients for this recipe. We are going to start with half a cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. Use whatever you like. I'm using 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt for the pudding, and then another 1/4 cup for the topping. This is 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. Use any milk you like. This is 50 milliliters of espresso, or a strong coffee will work. This is a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like and as much as you like. And this is 2 servings of the complete collagen powder from Organica. And I'm gonna add a dash of cinnamon. So in my NutriBullet, I'm going to pretty much add all of the ingredients except for the extra yogurt and cocoa powder. So this is your cottage cheese, your 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, your milk, your chia seeds, your espresso or strong coffee. It's a shot, 1 shot of espresso, plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and my collagen powder, and a dash of cinnamon. I'm going to add the lid, and we are going to blend this on high for 1 minute until it's really nice and smooth. Then I'm going to transfer the pudding into 2 cups. You can use whatever vessel you like. And we're going to refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, but overnight is best. Once I'm ready to serve, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt on each serving. You can sweeten the Greek yogurt if you like. I prefer it just as is, and we're just going to spread it on the top evenly. You don't have to do that. And lastly, of course, we need some cocoa powder. We're just going to dust some on each, add as much as you like. Enjoy our high protein, high fiber Tiramisu Chia Seed Pudding. It is so creamy and absolutely delicious. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this tiramisu inspired chia seed pudding, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.